Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert an image or picture on your Canva doc on your PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert an image or how to insert a picture in your Canva docs on your computer, just going to show in this video. So for that, first of all, click on this plus symbol here. You have this option. You can just search here. You have this option on the side called upload. And here you can see I had inserted an image here. You just click on the upload image or videos. You just need to choose the image from your PC and click open. So this is one of the way. Or if you just need a image on the online, you can just go to the elements. You can just search the image. You have the other type of images here. So I just go with my uploaded image. You can just drag it and drop it, or you can just click this, so it automatically insert the image on this, and you can just resize it and you can just place somewhere. So this is how you just insert an image in your Canva docs on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.